always America first.
Cameras high, yelling at the uniforms, calling every borderline a crime. But I see TIE agents waiting, doing what the law demands, while a crowd that's never paid the price points and shouts from safer land. Protesters, go home, let the people do their job. This is our country, built on order, not on every angry mob. You don't get to pick and choose which laws you'll stand behind. Protesters, go home, let the grown-ups draw the line. My neighbor wore that badge for years, missed birthdays, missed first steps, tall bodies from the desert, while the loudest ones just slept. You can't let everybody in, then lock your own front door at night. If it's wrong to guard a border, why you guarding your porch light? Protesters, go home, let the people do their job. This is our country, built on order, not on shine.